Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching how to make the foundation triple crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I do have tutorials on the previous foundation stitches, including the single crochet, half double, and double crochet. I will have those listed down below. For this tutorial, all you're going to need to know is how to make chains, and I will have that tutorial listed down below. And if you would like to check out the triple crochet stitch, I have a tutorial on that, and I will have it listed down below as well. On my hook here, I have already made 4 chains. And then up here, I have already made some regular chains. Because these foundation stitches combine how to make chains for a project and how to make the first row of your project, I would like to show you how it's going to look and then compare it to just regular chains so you can sort of see the difference. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. You're going to make 4 chains on your hook like I have already done here. You're then going to wrap the yarn around your hook 3 times. You're going to insert it into the first chain that you had made, so the farthest one from your hook. You would normally put your hook right into here and only have 1 loop on top, but you're actually going to put it right into here, where you're going to have 2 loops on top, and that's going to be how that looks, okay? So you're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through that loop. You're then going to yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. And that is going to be 1 chain made in your stitch. And you'll see how it looks, that's where you're going to be working into for any of your next stitches that you make. Then this is where you would finish it off like a regular triple crochet. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You can see how it looks like a chain right here and a regular triple crochet stitch, okay? For your next one, you're going to yarn over 3 times and you're going to insert your hook into that chain that we had made right here, okay? When we had done those 2, we pulled through only 2 loops to begin. That's going to be where you insert your hook. And you're going to, again, just like when we worked into this first chain, you're going to want 2 loops over your hook, okay? You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through. Same thing, you're going to yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. It's going to make that next chain for the stitch we work into, right? Yarn over, pull through 2 only, yarn over, pull through 2 only, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay? Again, we're going to start with a yarn over 3 times. This is going to be where you're going to insert your hook right here. Make sure you have 2 loops over your hook. You're going to yarn over, you're going to pull that yarn through those loops, yarn over, pull through only 2, yarn over, pull through only 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Again, we're going to start by yarning over 3 times on our hook. This is going to be where you insert your hook into this little chain right here, this little stitch. You can see how it's starting to look like chains down here like you would normally do, and then triple crochet stitches into them. Okay. You're going to pull that yarn through, you're going to yarn over, pull through only 2. It's going to be that little chain space. Yarn over, pull through 2 only, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. And again, we're going to start by yarning over 3 times. It's going to be where you're inserting your hook right here. Pull through 2 only, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through last 2. Alright, same thing right to here. Grab that yarn, pull it through, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and the last 2. Come on. There we go. Why is it giving me issues? There we go. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over 3 times on your hook, insert it into that little chain space right here, That's what it's going to look like. Grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so you insert your hook, you're going to pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and that is what that's going to look like. You can see how it looks like you made chains down here. Hold on, I'm going to zoom you guys in so it's going to be easier to see. There we go. Okay, so it looks like chains were made down here and that you had made, you know, triple crochet stitches like normal into those chains. So you can see how this would be your, you know, the first thing that you do in a project. You would just make chains and then you would do your row. You could see how this combines the two. I actually think the triple crochet one is the easiest one to do too, because it's so loose that it's easy to work into. You can see how they compare. Okay, so that is going to be how to make the foundation triple crochet stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback on future videos that you would like to see, stitches, patterns, tutorials, whatever. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.